first graders, welcome to math. I hope that you all had an incredible spring break time, that you guys relaxed yourselves and you guys did a lot of fun activities at home, staying safe. So what I want to do today, we're going to start introducing today a new unit. We're going to be talking about data and graphs. And you might be saying, what do you mean by that, Mrs. Rodriguez? So I'm going to be showing you today, we're going to start talking about 3 different graphs. And what is a graph? A graph is a pictorial representation or a diagram that represents data in an organized manner. So what that means is that I am going to have a bunch of things, but that even though they look kind of like a mess, and if I look at the things in my board right now, I will not know how many of each. So a graph is gonna help us organize all of that and put it in a way where we can actually understand it. So the first type of graph that we are going to be discussing is called tally marks. And you guys have seen me doing tally marks in class. When, you might be saying, well, we do them often on Fridays for just to make sure, and you guys help me count to see if you guys have earned your Fun Friday activity or what. So it is those little lines that we cross. We put 4 lines down and then 1 across. Why? Because tally marks, it is a type of graph that help us count by 5s. So what I want to show you right now in here, I'm going to pull up my board, and as you can see in my board, I have different color magnets. So in this magnets right here, I have 3 colors. I have the pink, the green, and the blue ones, right? So what I am going to do, and I'm going to have you guys help me do, it's from home. I want you guys, we're gonna start with the red ones or the pink ones. So we're gonna count and we're gonna mark for every, a tally, I should say, we're gonna mark a tally for every one of those pink magnets. So after the 4th one, we're gonna start making straight lines down. Once we have 4, then we cross out 5. That's what is gonna help us know, okay, I have 5 right there, so that then we can count by 5s. So help me out here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's count to 5 just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 red tallies. Now we're going to do the blue ones. So help me out once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after the 4th one, what do I have to do? And I see it right here, so I'm going to cross it out. So now I can clearly see that I have more pink ones than blue ones, just because I can distinguish that I see here 2 more than this ones. Let's find out to see how many green ones we have. Are you guys ready for it? Help me count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do those 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna cross this one because that's our number 5, and then we have 1 more. So what we can see in here is that I told you already, now we have 1 bundle, we have 1 group in here, and that group has to have 5. Every tally group has 5. So we have 5, then we start counting by 1s. 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. We have 7 pink tallies. We have how many blue ones? Yes, just 5, because we just see 1 bundle there. So we have 5 tally marks there. And lastly, how many do we have? I have 5, and then I count on 5 and 6. Beautiful. So I'm going to write that down. So, oopsie. I'm going to write it down. So we have 7, 6, and 5. So you see when a graph, what it does, or the purpose of it, is to represent the relationship between different items. Like you see in here, if you look at them, it's going to be kind of hard. Oopsie, sorry. It's going to be kind of hard for us to say, hey, I know that there's more pinks than blue ones, or more greens than blue ones. So whenever we have a tally mark or a graph like it, what we do is then it's easier for us to count, because if we look, as I said, one group or one bundle has 5 tallies. So if I look at it, I will know then 5, 6, and 7. Then I will know that the pink ones, if I look at it like this, then I will know that there's more pink ones than blue ones, and there is more green ones than blue ones, or there's less blues than pinks and greens. So as you can see right now, tallies is just a bundle of 5, okay? We make a bundle of 5 so that we can count by 5s. So your activity for today, you're gonna have some tallies and you will have to answer me the questions, okay? You gotta count to see how many tallies there are, how many more would you need to make another bundle. Those kind of questions are the ones that I want to challenge you with, because I know that you're super smart. And don't forget, each bundle has 5 tallies. So each bundle counts as for 5. Then after I have counted by 5s, then I'm gonna start counting by 1s. Excellent. Beautiful. You guys are incredible, and I know that you guys are gonna do awesome. But if you have any questions about it, don't forget to write, okay? Bye-bye.